Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of our practical module. Since many of you are new to our programming language, so we have designed this practical module to make sure no one feels left behind. Before we jump into machine learning and bioinformatics pipeline, we will start with the basics of R. In this way, if you don't have any coding experience, you will be able to follow along. So, learning the basic first will help you to understand what happenings in each step. We have divided this practical series into 4 modules. In first module, we will cover the basics of R programming, and this will help you get comfortable in writing codes and understanding how R works. So once you have a good grip on that, we will move on to second module where we will cover machine learning methods. This is where you will start connecting the theory with the practice by applying machine learning methods to real data. Then in the third module, we will solely perform some functional genomic analysis. Here you will learn how to answer biological questions using real data sets, using high dimensional data set. For example, you will use gene expression data from cancer patient, apply machine learning algorithms to identify potential genes or biomarkers that can differentiate cancer from our normal samples. So in this functional genomic analysis part, we use bioinformatics tools to check either these genes are biologically relevant for a specific disease or condition or not. Last module, we will bring everything together in the form of a case studies. This is where you will learn how to run a full end-to-end AI and bioinformatics pipelines. So here in this module, we will use publicly available microarray or RNA sequencing data sets. You will also learn how to find, download and analyze these public data sets on your own. This is the quick overview of the series. At the start of every module, I will share a full outline that you can find. At the start of each module, we will release a detailed outline on our GitHub repository. So module 1 outline is already available on our GitHub. And for each session, I also provide hands-on exercises will be uploaded to our GitHub. To get the most out of this internship, I recommend you create your own GitHub repository and upload your practice exercises. So this is not submission requirement, but it's a great way to build your public portfolio. That's all about today's session. In the next session, we will start with the R installation process and we'll teach you how to set up our environment to start working with it. Thank you.